When we became vegan about 2.5 years ago, we wanted some more plant-based options that we couldn't find. I'm Candace Zhang, and I'm co-owner of MANEATINGPLANT. My partner has been working in the restaurant industry for about 6 years, so we used his skills with my skills, and we just combined it so that we can provide more plant-based options for our community and take inspiration from our childhood, all the flavors that we grew up eating, and turning it into a brand and a business.
When we decided to go vegan, we realized there was an emptiness in the market for Asian food, and we wanted to fill that space and provide good food.
So we have our fried shroom bao, which is our crowd favorite. It's a steamed fluffy bun with a beer battered king oyster mushroom. The medley of textures is really nice. It's a nice crunch from the mushroom, but it's also really juicy inside. The bun is really fluffy. It's really, really great. Next we have our garlic nudes, which are garlic noodles, and then we ferment black garlic for about 3 weeks, and we use that in the noodles as well as roasted garlic and fried garlic and other pickly things, and it's really, really good. Another crowd favorite is our Sichuan style wontons. They're like little warm pillows of love, I call them, because they're really flavorful and they're really tasty and they're just yummy.
When you choose to go vegan, you're choosing to live a more compassionate life. The food you eat, the clothes you wear, everything that you consume, you're thinking about your choices a lot more.
When we realized how our choices were affecting the environment and animals and all the people around us, really, we couldn't participate in that anymore. So we wanted to, spread compassionate and conscious eating and living so that we can just see a better world. Right now we're just popping up all around LA just to kind of get our name out there and kind of hit a lot of different crowds.